Hello everyone. In this lecture I will tell you about how you can align your text by tab stops in Microsoft Word 2016. So first thing about tab stop is when you go in here, as you can see, this is left tab. So it is showing up with capital L, and what it does do, it's actually align any text of your page on the left alignment. Like if I type here table of content and I want to increase the size of this text with 16 so you can see it clearly. And now I'm going to enter some content so that I can clear you about tab stops. So I am typing here lesson 1, lesson 2, lesson 3, lesson 4, and also I want to type here page number 1, page number 2, page number 3, and page number 4. So this is how I entered some content here. Now I'm going to explain you about how you can use tab stop to align your content. So as I tell you about this left alignment, which is the left tab, and if I click on this, then now you can see this is a perpendicular sign which is using for which we will use for center tab. And also if I click here once again, then it is showing up here the right tab. And again if I type here and again if I click here, then this will show decimal tab and then bar tab, and after this first line indent, hanging indent, and then we are coming back to the left tab. So these are the options by which we can use tab stop to align our content. So now I am going to tell you how you can use these options in your document. So use a tab stop, just click on your ruler, which is as you can see, and if it is not added in your document, then go here in view, and then from here you can check mark it so that the ruler will be added in your document page. So now to use this left tab in your document page, just click on a point where you want to align this. So I want to align this on 10. So click on this and you can see this left tab is here now. And now if you want to move this left tab on the left, and if you want to move this on the right section, then you can move with this dot line as you can see here. And now I'm going to align some of the text from this contents. So first I am putting my cursor here, and then I'm using left tab in this point, and then I'm going to press tab. So you can see this page number 1 is aligned on this ruler on 10th point. And now after this I'm going here between this lesson 2 and page 2, and then I want to use right align on same 10th point of the ruler, and then I want to press here tab. So now you can see this content is showing up in the right alignment by this right tab. And in the same way, if I want to use this content in the center of this ruler, then I will go here and then I will select perpendicular so that I can use it for this content to showing up in center. So first I am going to put it here in 10th, and then I am pressing tab with my keyboard. And now you can see page number 3 is showing up in the center of this ruler with this center tab. And after this, now I will tell you how you can remove this tab stop from your page. So first select that line where you want to remove this, and then just left click here, and then pull your mouse down, and then you can see this center tab has been removed from this page 3. And as well as I want to do for this, and I'm repeating that, and in the same way I'm doing for page 1. So this is how I remove tab stops from my page. So now to add tab stops with dots, just go here in paragraph property, and then you can see here tabs on the bottom of this option. Just click here, repeat, just click here, and then type here the position of that tab stop. I want it on 12 centimeter, so I type here 12, and then I want it with left alignment, and then I want dots, then click OK. Now as you can see, these dots had been, repeat, these dots has been added between these content, and in same way I want for this, and now also for this. First we have to remove this, and then go here, and then click on this, and then tabs, then as we did first, just click OK. So this is how we added it. Repeat. So this is how we added tab stops in our table of contents. So now it's looking very fancy, and if you want to type here the name of lesson 1, like I want to type here introduction, then you can see how it is typing. And in the same way I want to type here the name of lesson 2, the method of programming, and then third, process of programming, and then in fourth, conclusion. So this is how we added tabs. Repeat. So this is how we uses tab stops to align content of this document page. So now you can also use it. Just try this tab stops with your own. And now I'm going to stop this lecture. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Thank you.